INTU, stock analysis and price prediction. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And then ultimately with Intuit Incorporated, we gapped up on Friday, which is nice. Well, it is what it is, right? And my idea was to hopefully take things up. That was my idea, but what happened then the following days, we just kind of gapped up. So it's just, well, it is what it is. You can see it was sitting at 665, I guess. Yeah, 665 at the time, and then now 720. Definitely reached above those highs. When I have this big of a gap, I'm very cautious, you know, because I genuinely do think that we are going to kind of pull down and then get that taken care of, or just filling a little gap. And this is going to be in those times where I'm just going to be hoping that I see my confirmation taking place, because if it does not quite happen, I'm not buying, right? So that's how INTU is looking like. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye.